Meaning of garden party.
Garden party.
Garden party.
Garden party.
Garden party. A garden party is a social gathering held in an outdoor setting, typically in a private garden or park. It is often characterized by its relaxed and informal atmosphere, with guests dressed in a more casual manner than for traditional formal events. Garden parties are popular during the spring and summer months, when the weather is warm and pleasant. Activities at a garden party can include outdoor games, picnics, live music, and refreshments such as tea or cocktails. Overall, a garden party is a delightful way to enjoy the beauty of nature while socializing with friends and family.